Hi, in this video we're going to design a rotary cam switch in 3D using SolidWorks, and then see how we can use the same model in ePLAN for electrical panel design. First, we import the parts into the SolidWorks assembly environment. After importing the parts into the SolidWorks assembly, the first step is to check the orientation of all components and make sure they are aligned correctly. We prepare the front view for use in ePLAN. After preparing the model, a step file is exported for use in ePLAN. In ePLAN, we first import the step model into the layout space environment. Then, a macro is defined for the component. After defining the macro, we combine the model using the unite command. Then, a placement area is defined for the model. Similarly, a handle point is defined for the model. Now, we prepare the front view. Next, the connection points for the model are defined. Finally, once the model preparation is complete, the 3D model is generated for use as a 3D macro. Now, the 3D macro is ready to be used. The rotary cam switch is designed for front mounting. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful.